Hello again, everybody. Well, since I already have the pan hot, so I decided to cook this other meal I was going to do tomorrow, but we're going to do it now. Alright, so here we go. Don't blink, this is going to be a quickie. Olive oil. This is something Grandma used to make. If you live in an Italian family, you know what this is. Okay. Olive oil. A little bit of garlic. That's a little bit of garlic for me. Okay. Give that a little go round here. Don't want to turn this up too high or you're going to burn your garlic a lot, but I think I have it on 350 on the skillet right here. And you know that if you're using an electric skillet or a gas burner, most of the time you get a hot spot in the circle there. Okay. Okay, but you got to get your oil hot. And you know we're using the wood spoon today. And you know what Mom used the wood spoon for when we were kids, and it wasn't always for cooking. Okay. This calls for some fresh green spinach, or back in the day, Grandma used mustard greens. This stuff shrinks up quite quickly once you heat it up. Okay, we have our spinach all sauteed all nice. Now we're going to go for 6 eggs with a little bit of milk. Scramble them up real good. Some people like to use a whisk for the eggs, but I prefer a fork. I think it does a better job and faster. Okay? Alright, let's put some eggy on there. Little of my salt, pepper, onion, garlic stuff. Sometimes I'll let it cook and make little patties, but today I think we're just going to scramble them up and fluff them up a little bit. Do something different. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for a few minutes and we'll come back. Okay, once they get a little bit like this, almost done, you're going to turn the pan off. Okay, otherwise you're going to burn it. They need to be a little bit steamy. And they're going to dry up a little more than that. Okay, so. Also, it keeps that spinach moist. Okay, now for our final touch. You're not Italian unless you put a little Parmigiano on there. Okay. Now that's a tasty breakfast right there. You can eat that with buttered toast or biscuits, hash browns, or just alone, just like that. It's just fine. Okay, I told you that's going to be a quickie, so now you know a new recipe. Thanks for watching again, everybody. You have a good day. Take care of yourself.